VW Connect is a device that gives you detailed information about your car and your use of it. It fits into the diagnostics port, which is generally below the steering wheel underneath the dashboard. The diagnostic port is a purple coloured plug just underneath the dashboard, and the plug fits directly into it. Once you've fitted the VW Connect to your car, the next stage is to install the VW Connect app, and once that's done you'll need to set up a login ID. That will require you to have an email address and then validate the email that's sent to you. Once all that's done, you can then go into the VW Connect app and pair a new data plug which will connect in the one that you've just fitted. So say I have a data plug, and on the side of your box there will be a PIN number. Just see that there? So if we type in that PIN, that will then connect to the car. First of all, you need to make sure that the car is switched on. So you don't need to start the engine, but as long as the key is in the ignition, and you'll then be able to connect the data plug. You'll see it communicating, and the plug will then become active. Once that's in place, you'll be able to see all the different information once you've done some journeys, and it will show you the information that the plug has collected.